everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Teachable. To sign up or create a new account for Teachable, open the Teachable application on your mobile device first. Now where it says your email, go ahead and type down an email address you'd like to sign up with. After typing down an email, click on Login. You'll need to enter a verification code sent to you via your email. Open up your email inbox for the same email that you just typed in, and then you'll receive an email from Teachable support. Open up the Teachable code that you received from your inbox and copy it and paste it inside the Teachable app. Right after that, you will be able to sign up for a Teachable account. So there you have successfully signed up for Teachable in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.